Hello. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Natural Health and Yoga Group. My name is Dr. Shari. I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy and holistic health counselor. Welcome to my group. And as I promised, I talk about one topic related to natural health and holistic health every week, Tuesday at 4 p.m. in this group, my group Natural Health and Yoga. So you're welcome to join my group and also invite your friends or family members who are interested in natural health remedies and they believe in holistic health and they are looking for natural health solutions for their health issues or health problems. They're welcome to join this group and enjoy the free content I'm sharing with you. Those who are members of my group, they can actually get the advantage of this free information. So feel free to invite your friends or family members to this group. Today I'm going to talk about immune system. Okay. Welcome everybody. If you are here, let me know. Say hi once you are here. I'll be glad to see you. Okay. This session that is about immune system is those who are more interested in learning natural remedies to strengthen their immune system. Those who have had some challenges with their immune system, like weak immune system, and they are more interested to go natural and find natural solutions. If you're one of those, this training would be a valuable training, valuable information for you. So keep up with me and stay with me till the end of session. Ask questions. If you have any question, feel free to type it in the chat box so I can answer it right now or even later. Once I check out the comments, I can answer you later. This session is not for those who do not believe in natural remedies or they prefer conventional treatments. So hopefully you are interested in natural and holistic way of helping your body to heal itself. If you are the one, this session would work very well for you. Today I'm gonna talk about 3 core values or a few more tips and tricks that help the immune system to be stronger and it can defend all bacteria, viruses, or anything that can attack your healthy body. So our goal is creating a healthy immune system that can defend. Immune system is like a defense system, like the soldiers of your body. They defend to keep you protected and safe and happy, healthy. So we have to help our bodies to stay healthy. Good. Let me reintroduce myself. I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy and board certified holistic health counselor. I'm also a certified yoga therapist. I've been teaching since 2004. It's been more than 15 years that I've been teaching yoga and a holistic way of natural living. Understand sometimes, people suffer weak immune system and they say, I don't know what to do. And, I often have flu or different kind of problems with my immune system. I get sick 2-3 times a year, or more than that. I got different bacterial, fungus, or virus infections. So I'm looking for solutions. Today I give you some tips and tricks what to do, how to help your immune system in order to heal itself and helping your immune system to be stronger and fight viruses, bacteria, or anything that attacks your immune system. Okay. If you are here, stay with me. Let me know you are here. Say hi, or drop me a fire in the chat box. I'll be glad to see you. Okay. There are some mistakes sometimes we make. We believe, if we eat good foods, our immune system stays strong. This could be a kind of mistake. Why? Because even though we eat good foods, the body is not able to absorb it. Sometimes we have absorption problems. If it is the case, that is we as a holistic health counselors or naturopath, we can help you to improve your immune system and improve your gut, actually your digestive system, to improve its absorption. So it's a process, it takes time, but I can talk about the whole absorption health issues in one full session. So in case you are interested, I can talk about it later. But today I'm going to talk about tips and tricks and how you can help your immune system to be stronger, so it can defend better than before. Okay. Are you here? If you're here, let me know you are here. Say hi or something. Those who can join me live, they will get bonuses. So try to join and ask questions. Okay. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Once you are live, you can answer it. The first questions that comes to the mind is about solutions. Or first, what is the immune system? Then what are the solutions to improve the immune system strength? Immune system is this is the question, so if you can answer it, let me know. What is the immune system? Why is the immune system important? Those are two questions that I'm asking you. You can answer it. Feel free to answer over here. Okay. Usually when there are some issues with the immune system, there are some problems and pain that comes after those health issues. Do you suffer a runny or drippy nose? Do you catch cold in the beginning of winter? Do you want to know what solutions we have for mucus producing coughs? Are you looking for solutions to frequent colds or flu, like you get colds and flu 4 to 5 times a year? Are you looking for the solution to that? Frequent colds and flu? Do you tolerate other infections such as like sinus congestion or ear infection, lungs, bladder, kidneys, some kind of those infections 3 times more than a year? Are you always sick? Or sometimes some people complain acne bothers them, they get itchy skin that comes and goes often. Do you get like cysts, boils, and rashes? Have you had history of herpes, shingles, chronic fatigue syndrome, or other chronic viral infections? Okay, I see somebody join me. Welcome. If you are here, let me know. Say hi. I'm glad to see you. Say hi in the chat box. Okay. We are talking about immune system and how we can strengthen the immune system in a natural way, how to help your body heal itself, especially your immune system. I ask questions, what is the immune system and why immune system is important to consider it. So if you know the answer, feel free to write it down in the comment box. You will get bonuses. Good. When there is something going on with the immune system, there are some problems or signs and symptoms that we can see over time. Especially if the immune weakness becomes chronic, we can see some. Oh, Parveen, very good. Thanks, Parveen John. Good. Thanks for joining. You're the best. Good. And the first, actually, you're the first. Very good. Welcome. Okay. Sometimes we see even there is an issue with the immune system. There are like lymph gland, or we have swollen some parts of the body, especially lymphatic system, which is related to the immune system. So those are the signs your body needs help, and it's up to you how you help your body. What I suggest to seek for natural remedies first, because your natural are like part of the nature, and your body's response to the nature and natural would be the best in the first place. So now the question is over here: what is the immune system and why it is important? If you have answered yes to the previous questions that I asked, those are the signs that your immune system needs help, and you will get benefits from this session today, because I'm gonna give you tips and tricks how to support your immune system to defend your body from germs, microbes, bacteria, and anything that comes from the environment. The first question is here: what is immune system? You know that? Answer it. Type in the chat box. Let me know. Okay. Immune system is one of the most complex and fascinating system of human body. It's complex. It's not something simple, because different organs are engaged, different tiny cells are engaged actually. So it's gonna be complex, but it is fascinating that how those work together to keep us safe from the toxins or from the bacteria and viruses environment. Now, the second question is why immune system strength is important. The importance of susceptibility to infection or disease is related to immune system. Support and enhancement of immune system is perhaps the most important step in achieving resistance to disease and reducing susceptibility to colds, flu, and other diseases. So your immune system would be susceptible to infection and diseases when the immune system is weak. We need to do enhancement, help the immune system to be stronger so it can fight the external germs, bacteria, viruses that can attack the system. Sometimes we see recurrent or chronic infections. every mild cold only occurs when the immune system is weakened. Sometimes we see we are in front of virus and bacteria, but we don't get sick. Why? Because the immune system is strong and it can defend itself. So once we strengthen the immune system, we can help it to stay away from the germs. A weakened immune system leads to infection. Infection causes damage to immune system, which further weakens resistance. When the immune system is weak, we see we get lots into different kind of infections. It could be from the skin to the internal organs or guts or other parts of the body. Why? Because the immune system is weak. And the bad news is that once those bacteria overcome our bodies, it leads to weaker immune system because it's become chronic and your body has to deal with it frequently. Now, what are the solutions? How can we help the immune system to be stronger? I'm here to give you some tips and tricks and actually provide you the answers, what you can do to help your immune system. The first thing before helping the immune system, we need to know what is immune system is composed of. Immune system is composed of some lymphatic vessels and organs. Some organs like thymus gland, like spleen, and tonsils. Also, white blood cells that could be neutrophil, eosiophil, basophil, different kind of white blood cells, and specialized cell residing in various tissues, like macrophages, mast cells, and others that specialize in chemical factors. These are actually parts of immune system, and each of them has a role to defend our whole body. For example, thymus gland is a major gland. It is located above the heart and underneath the thyroid. If you want to touch it, it would be in this area. It is actually close by here. So it's located below the thyroid and above the heart. Thymus gland or health of thymus gland determines the health of immune system. If we want to improve the immune system strength, we need to improve the thymus gland strength. Individuals who get frequent infection have impaired thymus activity. So in order to prevent frequent infections, we need to help the thymus gland. People who are affected by allergies, migraine, or headache, or rheumatoid arthritis, they have thymus function issues. And thymus is responsible for many immune system functions. Because the thymus releases several hormones that regulates many immune functions. So we have to help the thymus gland that is part of the immune system, then we will have the strong immune system physically. And unfortunately, as we get older, the thymus becomes smaller, and that's why usually the older people will get sick more than younger people, because they have a small thymus gland. Now, solutions. We know immune system health is not only the physical body, but also our mind and emotions have tremendous impact on our immune system function. For example, like stress can depress the immune system. Okay, any questions, comments? Feel free to write me a comment or ask your question if you're here. Okay. I'm gonna continue. If we consider like physical solutions to the immune system, we can consider like nutrient deficiencies. That is the most common cause of immune system function. The problems that we have with what we eat. If sometimes we eat good foods, but the problem is that the body is not absorb it, is not able to absorb. In case you need to know more about the food absorption, I can discuss it in another session, or feel free to ask me in the chat box. I will talk about it in a full session later. Okay. For example, we know the food is important. If we take too much sugar, sugars can suppress the immune system and lower the blood cell activities. Actually, I can say the other problem that is related to weak immune system could be obesity or being overweight. Usually when we are overweight, we have extra calories, we consume more sugar or unhealthy diet, so those could lead to weak immune system. That's why we are more interested in weight loss programs, and we need to balance our weights in order to help our immune system. The interesting thing is that once we lower or balance our diet, we can see how inflammation decreases in our bodies, and we become not only stronger but also become happier, because the chemical changes, pH changes in our bodies. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about tips and tricks. Are you ready? I'm gonna give you the solutions. These are like what we can do to help our immune system to defend better in a natural way. Any questions, or let me know, what do you think? What is your solution? Let's brainstorm and see what you believe or what you know. How can we help the immune system in a natural way to defend, so we do not have frequent infections and we can stay immune from bacteria, viruses, and everything else that is in the environment? Good? All right. Now, what I have learned over years of studying, practicing. Oh, good. Parvinjan, good. All right. Okay. Well, I'm going to share my experience and my knowledge about how we can help the immune system. There are some natural solutions that I believe those are the best effective ones. If we practice it, if we do it regularly, consistently, we can see its positive effects. The most important point is that we're going to practice it regularly. Persistence and consistency matters in natural health and natural health solutions. So try to practice what you learn. The first thing that most of us we know, and it's a regular topic that everybody can guess, is food. So we can use the food as a medicine, and if we eat good foods, like the foods that are nutrients and can nourish our bodies, those can improve our immune system function. Oh, Shirin is here. Welcome, Shirin. Good. I wish you could join me at 4 p.m., but now it's good. You are the loyal one. Welcome, welcome. Good. Say hi in the comments. once you are here, I'm gonna ask you questions, so try to answer. You'll get bonuses. Good. Today we are talking about the immune system and the natural health solutions to strengthen the immune system. I started the solutions. The first thing that that most of us know is food as a medicine. If we eat good foods, those which are nutrients in vitamins and minerals, and feed the immune system, those would be the best. For example, if we get flu, some of the kind of good foods that we can eat would be, I would suggest, like soup. Why? Because a soup is the blend of protein that could be like chicken soup with some vegetables like raw onions, parsley, and basil. This is a kind of good food when we have flu. It could be like a medicine your body. We know when there is a kind of infection going on, try to reduce fried foods like pizza or fried different kind of fried vegetables or things. So no fried foods at all when we are sick, because those kind of fats can weaken the immune system too. The other kind of food that we can say is like fruits and vegetables, and those fruits which are great source of vitamin C helps the immune system. For example, lemons, especially those fresh lemons are the best source of vitamin C. It's simple. Just cut the fresh lime or lemon and squeeze it, and add some lukewarm water or room temperature water. No boiled water on the fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice. Why? Because hot water destroys the great content of vitamin C. So whenever you want to use limes or oranges, the best source of vitamin C is try to have lukewarm or room temperature water. Mix them together and drink it. That is the best source of vitamin C to your body, helps your immune system stronger, creates a strong, healthy body to defend viruses and bacteria. The other example of a fruit that is a great source of vitamin C is grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the best, so try to have some fresh grapefruits, especially in winter time when there is cold and flu going on. So it helps a lot to improve your immune system's strength. The one of the actually fruits that helps the cough when there is flu going on because of weak immune system, or we can use one of the best fruits that helps to reduce cough when we are coughing too much or mucus is accumulated in the lungs. The best natural remedy would be pineapple, especially fresh pineapple. It's a great source of vitamin C and helps to reduce coughs. So try to use it and see how it is effective. And if you want to feel its effectiveness, try to use it frequently, like once a day, every day at least. After a week, you can see its positive effects. Good? Okay. Another kind of food can be used as a medicine would be some of the nuts or plant proteins, because some of the nuts are a great source of zinc. And usually when there is weak immune system going on, we have zinc deficiency. So in order to help your immune system, you need to have nuts or some kind of plant proteins. For example, one of the nuts that's a great source of zinc is cashews. Cashews are a great source of zinc, so especially raw cashew would be the best since we need to avoid fried fruits and vegetables, that kind of stuff. Try to have raw cashew. That's a great source of fatty acids that your brain and nervous system needs, and also great source of zinc for your immune system. The other kind of nut would be almonds. So almonds would be good, especially those who have coughs. Almonds helps to reduce cough. And especially raw almond has been advised. Okay. Any questions? Comments? Feel free to ask your questions in the comment box. Let me know. I will answer it. And once I see and check out the questions. Good. I'm going to continue. Stay with me till the end. Almost you're done. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the herbs. There are some herbal medicine or plant medicine that I advise as a naturopath. Some of the herbs that comes from the nature, those are our best medicine because it matches with our body that comes from the nature. For example, one of the herbs that helps to strengthen the immune system it's called echinacea, and that one is a kind of like flower, yellow. It has the yellow flower. It is one of the best to help the immune system to fight viruses. So you can use like a kind of herbal tea and drink it when there is a flu season. Could be like a tea in the evening and helping your immune system. Another herb for the immune system would be sage. Sage leaves. Sage actually has like a property that an ingredients that discharges the mucus in the lungs, reduce coughs, and reduce mucus in the sinus, and actually helps with sore throat. So try to have a sage as a kind of herbal medicine, help your immune system. Any questions? Good? Okay. When there is immune system deficiency going on, breathing and some kind of exercise can help the immune system too. Since I'm a professional and like yoga therapist, I believe there are some yoga postures, and actually I have tried some yoga postures that help to strengthen the immune system. So in case you're interested, I can teach that one. That's a whole topic. I can talk about it in one full session. You can talk about. But just to let you know, as in summary, I can say exercise improves your immune system strength. Why? Because when we exercise, we breathe fresh air, and that fresh air with more oxygen nourishes your lungs, expanding, opening your lungs, letting more oxygen flow to your lungs, and nourishing each cell of your lungs. The more oxygen we take, the better we can nourish our cells. So actually, the more oxygen helps the immune system too. Okay, and rest. Another topic that I can talk about for immune system is resting and sleeping. If you have a good rest, if you can sleep very well at night, that's a great sign that your body can heal itself, because getting adequate sleep helps your body heal itself, and the rest is healing. And actually, we can say the reason behind that they say take rest more when you are sick is that because rest is healing, and when we sleep or we have less activity, when we are sick, we are helping our immune system to defend. So whenever there is weak immune system going on, or there is sickness going on, you got to take rest, reduce your activity, and let your body heal itself. Just feed it with good foods. And actually, positive attitude is important. I'm going to talk about it in next session, that how the stress level can have impact on the immune system too. So that would be totally another topic that I'll talk about it later. But just keep it in mind. So try to take rest when there is something going on. Your body needs rest. Oh, Zahra is here. Welcome. We're talking about immune system and the natural health solutions. Once you are here, say hi in the comment section. Good. Now, one more topic which is related to the immune system strength is reducing toxins. We need to detox our bodies in order to help the immune system to defend. If too much toxin is going on in the body, and your body is accumulated with different kind of toxins, how can we expect the defense systems to be strong? That is why it's been emphasized that to drink lots of water, at least 8 glasses of water every day. Why? Because the water helps to detox your body. It's the first step in detoxifying our bodies. But in case you're more interested learning about the detoxification, I can help you out. Feel free to ask me, because it's like kind of program. We have to do it step by step, helping your body reduce toxins that has been accumulated in the body over time. So detoxification, it's a whole program. It takes at least 3 to 6 months to reduce toxins and help your immune system's strength. In case you're interested, I'll be glad to help you out. Okay, finally, we can say our lifestyle matters. What we eat, how we exercise, how we take rest, and what kind of plant medicine we use. Those are necessity to your immune system strength. And these are actually the physical aspects of helping the immune system. I'm going to talk about the psychological aspects of helping immune system, because we are not only the physical body, the psychological aspects of our health is related to stress management and how we balance our emotions. I'm going to talk about that section next week. So in case you're interested to learn more about the effects of our emotional health on our immune system, feel free to join me next Tuesday at 4 p.m. in this group, Natural Health and Yoga. So, questions, comments? Good? Okay, let me recap. The solution that we talked about, it was about the food that we eat. Try to eat healthy foods. Try to have some vitamins also. Some kind of vitamins would help. My first emphasis is the food as a medicine. The next, in case there is kind of deficiency going on or body is not able to absorb, we need to have some supplements, but different kind of supplements have different effects. Try, if you need to know what kind of brand or what kind of supplement would be the best for you. I'm a professional, so I can help you out. Feel free to ask me. If you have any questions about what supplements you can take or what brand would be the best, because some supplements can be toxic to your body. Just to keep it in mind, and be aware of what you are putting in your own body. Some of the vitamins that helps the immune system, we know it's vitamin C, and it's been emphasized also vitamin D will help, but my suggestion is take the vitamin B from the foods first, and from the nature, especially vitamin D. Source is sunlight, so try to have a short or long walk in the sun, especially in winter time. For example, at noontime, try to walk in the nature. It is good for your emotional health and also getting enough sunlight, and that's a great source of vitamin D to protect your immune system. I talked about the zinc and nuts and cashews. Those helps to strengthen your immune system too. And I talked about exercise. Try to exercise regularly, even though it's hard to do exercise like some kind of hard exercise, but do at least walking, and try to walk in the nature, like walking, jogging helps you a lot. And stress management, that will help a lot, so keep it in mind what you will practice. I will talk about the stress next week and emotional balance. Finally, my offer is over here. If you are dealing with low or weak immune deficiency, let me know. I can help you out. I will give you the solutions that would be specialized for you. After you will follow the holistic health program to strengthen your immune system, you will feel how you become stronger. Your body can defend virus and any kind of external creatures that attack your system. And you will strengthen your immune system, not only physically, but also helping other organs of your body to function better. You will feel happier and healthier over time. There is no side effects for holistic health consultation because we use all the natural remedies and the best natural solutions that we have to help the body to heal itself. So this would be your best first option, especially if there is chronic immune system, weak immune system is going on. That means your body needs attention. You need to detox. Feel free to contact me. I'll help you with different programs. I have some programs for 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. So once you follow it, you will see the results. Persistency matters in natural health solutions. If you are the one, you're going to practice it and be persistent, you will see the results, and those results are rewarding because it will stay with you for a long time, and you will feel happier, healthier, better memory over time. If you want to know how to contact me, or you want to know more about my packages, I will share the link in the comment section. Feel free to check it out or share it with your family members, those who need it. You can feel free, you can email me, sharingnatural0@gmail.com. You can call me or check my website, mytraditionalyoga.com. I'm on YouTube also, or you can follow me on Instagram at Sharing Naturally. In case you're interested, I will share it in the bottom section, in the comment section. Wish you have a great week. Wish you all the best. Thanks for attending my class, and I'm looking forward to helping you more. Ask your questions, share your experience in the comment section. Thank you and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.